Welcome. Today you will learn how to use a bolt tightening power tool. Step-by-step instructions will guide you. To begin, use the safety glasses to protect your eyes. Great. Next, use the safety gloves to protect your hands, one at a time. Grab the joint end piece and snap it to the left sphere in front of you. Grab the joint end piece and snap it to the right sphere in front of you. Grab the joint middle piece and snap it to the center sphere in front of you. Grab the joint piece and set it on the target in front of you. Grab any of the washers and place it in any of the 24 highlighted locations. Repeat this until all 24 locations have a washer. Excellent. Grab any of the hexagonal nuts and place it in any of the 12 highlighted locations. Repeat this until all 12 locations have a nut. Well done. Grab any of the bolts and place them in any of the 12 locations. Repeat this until all 12 locations have a bolt. Nicely done. We are going to secure these bolts in a criss-cross pattern shown frame. This pattern helps even out the distribution of torque and helps securely fasten the bolts into place. Grab the powered wrench. Very well done. This has been an example of a construction simulation. Feel free to go through the experience again or go back to the home page and try a different experience.